Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Grammar with Ganesh. We are at the last part of parts of speech, that is articles. Articles are of two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. The definite articles are the articles which are used to tell about the particular or specific thing. For example, the novel means here it is very specific to the novel. Which novel? The novel means any specific novel. While the indefinite means the articles which are used behind the common noun like of general class or any category. For example, ball, elephant, dog, pen, pencil. Like these common nouns, we will put a ball, an elephant. How to use a, an or the three articles in a sentence, we will go one by one. Here the definite article, that is the, it is used in a sentence where we have to tell about the noun which is very clear, or about the noun which we want to tell a very particular noun. For example, before the noun which we want to speak about, which is very clear or exact noun or a very particular noun. For example, the book you want is out of print. Here the book, that book is very particular or exact book which we are talking about. The book is out of print now. Some more examples. Yes friends, we are talking about the article the. The is used for very particular or exact things: buildings, river, sea, oceans, gulf, deserts, etc. We will look one by one. While talking about the buildings, like the Taj, the gateway of India. About a river, the Ganga, or its plural also, the Ganges, the Yamuna. While talking about sea, oceans, the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. While talking about Gulf, like the Persian Gulf, the California Gulf. Then about deserts, for example, the Sahara Desert, the Sahara Desert. This article the is also used in these common nouns. Forests. While talking about the forest, like the Amazon. Before holy books like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, etc. Before the countries, that is group of countries, not before single country. It cannot be the India, the Russia. It should be the United States of America, or UK, the United Kingdom. Before the words of direction, or before the words of geographical area. In case of direction, like east, west, south and north, the is used, the east, the west, the south, the north. Also in case of geographical areas, that is the Middle East, the Middle West, etc. Yes, before museum, we will also use the article the. For example, the Shivaji Maharaj Museum. Another one before mountain or ranges. Mountains, the Himalayas, the Alps ranges. Before hotels, ships, hotels like the Taj Mahal Hotel. Friends, before newspapers like the Times of India, the Maharashtra Times, etc. We will use this article the before names of theaters, names of cinema for pointing out very very particular or unique cinema, and then orchestras, then pubs, etc. Before whole families, when we talk about whole family, for example, the Tatas, the Ambanis, then while talking about machines or some inventions or musical instruments, machines, inventions, and musical instruments. For examples, inventions like telephone, musical instruments like the guitar, the sitar, and about the machine like electronic machines, the washing machine, and about musical instruments which I told you, the guitar, the piano, etc. Also, this article the can be used before the titles of persons. Titles of persons like the Queen. Queen is the title. Also, the Chief Minister, the Prime Minister. Also, it is used in adjective with reference to group or some class. For example, the rich, the poor. One example I will tell you. The rich should help the poor. Yeah, both are the class or category, that is poor and rich. We will use the at both the places of these adjectives. The rich should help the poor. This article is used with the word language. When the word language is followed by that language, for example, the English language, the Hindi language, the Marathi language. Here language is followed by that word. In that case only the is used. Otherwise the English, the Marathi, it should not be like this. Before these unique words, here the words are like unique nature. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the Vedas. All these words will follow the only. With superlative words like sweetest, worst. For example, the sweetest boy, the worst experience, like this. Also, here there is a noun plus of and again noun. For example, noun, the wall of China, the noun of again noun. One more example, the man of iron. Here the man of and iron is the noun. More important thing, the is used before adjective, means when adjective is before noun, the will be used. For example, the great Shivaji. Here adjective great is followed by the great Shivaji. Some of the words like the last bench, the only son, the same, and the following. So the article is used with some common words. The dog is a faithful animal. Also, one more example, the elephant have a remarkable memory. The is also used in combination with the words. For example, on the one hand, on the other hand, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, etc. More sentences where we will see how the is used. The more we get, the more we desire. The higher we go, the cooler it is, etc. Like this, in some proverbs, the is used. Friends, like this, we have seen numerous examples here. We can use the article, which is a definite article, which talks about speaking about some particular or specific or exact word. It is very, very important while talking or while making the sentences, while forming the sentences. In the next part, we will see articles which are indefinite one, which are talked about the words of common noun, of general character, and we will see it in next video, because it is very, very important. I want to give a separate look on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go through it and look carefully how the article the is used in sentences. You will definitely come out of this in a very, very simple way. Thank you so much, and we will see in the next chapter this article, which will cover the article a and an. In this video, see you there.